Okay, here is the back of the bulb, back of the headlight housing. And then what you do to change it out is you would take off the plug right here, and then take this rubber piece off, set it aside, and then this pin here is pretty similar. You just push it down, move it to the side, and then this bulb just comes out. It goes in and out. This is the only part that locks the bulb in. Take the bulb out, put it away, and then with this one, it's pretty similar to the regular bulb. You look at it, I think this one is a little bit farther than these two, so these two are on the bottom, this one's on top. And with this back piece is too big, so you could like put it in, but you can't lock it on. So with this bulb, what would you need to do is this piece alone has to go in there. So to take it off, gotta kind of look here, and then you push on the bulb while you're holding this, turn it, and this piece will come out. Oh, like this. And then you put this piece with the top and the two bottom inside the housing here, and then you'll lock it in without the bulb yet. And then with this, you could either cut this little smaller trim here out so it'll fit around here, or else you can leave it off and just put the bulb in. And if you go to put it in, you just push it back. It has to go on the side like this. Push it down, twist it, turn it, and they'll lock. And you could use it like this or cut this piece out and push. If you like decide to use this, you cut this out, put this on first, then put the bulb in, and then just plug into your card plug and it'll work.